Hey guys, today we're going to learn how to make money with Facebook performance bonus. So, in order for us to make money with Facebook performance bonus, all we have to do is launch our application, which is the Facebook. And from there, in order for us to make money with the Facebook performance bonus, is to get a invite or be permitted to be invited in order to earn money by the Facebook performance bonus. And what this is earning money through the interactions of your Facebook posts. And this is through the amount of people who have viewed or liked or replied to your video, and that are a lot, and that have seen your video as a funny or engaging video. And this cannot happen to a person with a normal follow account like 1,000. This must happen on a person with a higher following account, or that has a lot of followers on their account and have a lot of viral posts, or their posts have gone viral since the last few days or weeks or months. And if Facebook has seen that you are eligible to be permitted to be able to access the Facebook performance bonus, they will send you a notification here at the notifications. And from there, all you have to do is tap on the message or the request that they have sent you, and from there is to fill out your personal details and look claimant details. And from there is how you can actually make money with Facebook performance bonus latest updates. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe if it did help, and I'll see you guys on the next video.